I think someone's shooting at me. I see splashes in the water of bullets. What is going on here? Good morning. Day 3. It's 8 o'clock. Slept in a little bit just because I wanted the sun to come up and warm up. It got cold last night. I wasn't too bad, but I tell you what, this down little blanket thing is a lifesaver. If I didn't have it, I'd get cold for sure. Anywhere my body touched the blanket or the sleeping bag would get cold unless the down was covering it. So thank goodness for that. Time to get up, get some coffee going. I think have a cup of coffee, enjoy the sun while it's here. We got a duck. Sweet. This is last night's chili I made, basically a pot of beans. But my fork's way up there, so I can't eat it like I'd like to. But this is gonna be lunch. We're gonna float. We're in a decent spot, little wind block we got around this cove here. Cheers, let's eat. Whew. I just got to shore. This is where I'm gonna stay. I didn't make it to the island, but this is owned by the United States of America, some sort of Missouri reserve, creek reserve. I think there's a creek over there. So we might hike over there and see if it's worth fishing. Not sure yet, but I just got off, just now pulled off, and I made a protein powder with some blueberries in it. I'm gonna get this drinking up because I need it, I think. I know it sounds good anyways. And then I'm gonna guzzle down a bunch more water because I did not drink enough water today. And then I gotta set up camp. We'll see you there. Well now, we got up on shore and I don't think I filmed anything, but here's my view. Way down there's a canoe. This is the end of day 3. Good morning. Day 4. We're on day 4. And last night and all morning, I probably look rough. Just woke up. I gotta get moving here, but all I've done is spent time. All I've done is spent time plucking ticks off of this guy. Won't be surprised if I find some on me. It is time to get moving. Sounds a little breezy out, but doesn't seem to be too terrible. Anyhow, so this was camp. I'm busting it down now. Get all this stuff back over to the boat. Today is gonna be rough. Out there, the wind is not okay. But we won't know until we know. Once we get out there, the sail sock might become in handy today. If we need it, we might need it today. Time will tell. I think we'll just start off this way this time. Let the food barrel be the culprit that holds everything together. I think I'll tie it all the way back. Don't get my sock wet this time, not today. No sun today. Good boy. Good boy. Now stay there. Stay. Here we go. These are some big waves. I don't like it. Why are the waves so big all of a sudden? I need to get out of here. I think someone's shooting at me. I see splashes in the water of bullets. What is going on here? Stop shooting over here. I definitely see bullets splashing. Who the f is shooting at me? Where it's even coming from. I think it's coming from that other shore, but I definitely saw bullets splashing. Don't shoot me. Friendly. I'm a friendly. I'm not on your property, I promise. So right out there in the logs is where it was splashing. Can't believe I could see the splashes. I fully wanted to get up over here. Stay in that tree line right there. Now we might have a grumpy f***ing neighbor. I thought this would be more of a cove and a landing, but we might have to keep going. So our grumpy neighbor's not going to let us stay here. We're going to keep moving. Okay. Good boy. Let's stay here. Come on. I think we might be able to top off. Fish waste only. Come here. Turn off water and clean after use. Look at that. Sweet. We got water. We got water. Yeah, water. Come on, Cop. Load up. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. My arms are sore. My arms are sore. Here we go. I'm gonna bump the back here. It's gonna throw us out anyways. Trying to make it to this island. It's a last minute decision because I don't know what the other place is going to look like. So I think if we can tuck ourselves back in this island for a few days might be good. But kind of going against the waves here. Yeah, we did it. Holy shit, we did it. Wow, I can't believe we made it. Son of a bitch. She's thick. Oh, it's really thick, but it's fine. It's fine.
think right here will work just fine. I'm gonna get the boat pulled up, do a little bit more scouting, and then potentially set up camp if it's good enough. Sweet. We're set to hunker down. Let me show you what's going on. Got the canoe posted up here, and actually, he doesn't know what he's doing. So I have it all tied off through here, upside down. The reason why is we're expecting storms the next few days. So potentially I'm gonna be here for a couple days. I'm using the tarp, otherwise I just would have tarped it. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to get on the water tomorrow. And then you come up to this trail. Here's home, potentially for a few days. So I got everything scattered out. I need to, solar panel, I need to organize yet. Having this extra shelter might be really good to have. That way we can stay more out of the rain, out of the elements, and I can put gear under here and stuff like that. The weatherman, I kind of hope is right so I get an off day tomorrow, but most likely what'll happen will be a nice calm day, and I will hate the fact that I emptied the canoe. Time will tell though, better be prepared than not prepared, I suppose. We're gonna find out later, and I'll see you on the next one.